So hey guys, how are you? It's me again. This is Jackie, and I'm just starting my microlocs. As you know, I started them. They are 2 weeks old. Today I had to wash my hair, and as you can see, the curls. I love everything about this hair. I love my microlocs. I love how simple my hair. Styling my hair has become. If not for today that I had to wash, um, the other days you just wake up, shake your hair, and you're good to go. But today I want us to do braid out. So I'm going to braid my hair for tonight, and then tomorrow morning I'll take them out, and we'll see how the hair will be. So for styling, I've already washed my hair, and it's a bit dry, so I want it to be a bit wet, I mean moisturized. And I'm going to use this bouncy. It's a bouncy locks and reds. It's a bouncy locks and reds. It moisturizes your hair, conditions, and it has coconut oil. Let's see how everything will be. Makes the hair so soft. So I don't have a specific pattern to put the product in my hair. Just make sure you get some into your hair very well. You can use a lot or just in a small amount. It all depends with what you want. And it's really good. It's really good. Make sure you get to your roots, you get to your tips, to your ends. And I've already applied every part of my hair, every part of my head, the curls. What do you think? I hope you can see. And so for braiding, I'm going to braid in a manner that when I take the braids out tomorrow, the hair will be able to stay the way I want. So as you can see, I'm cutting here. I want all of this hair will be on this side. I think I'll have to add another cut. All of this here will be on this side. Tomorrow when styling, I want all of it to be on this side. So I'll start with plaiting here, this hair. So let me tie the others with just to get it out of the way. Just to get it out of the way, so that I'll be able to braid. And I wanted the hair tomorrow to be at the back. So if I wanted it to lay downward, I'd lay the hair like this. But I want the hair tomorrow to be facing this side. So this is how I'm going to braid, to make sure the hair faces the direction you want it to face, or you want it to lay, and that's what will happen. And so I'll pull the hair backwards like this. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I bring you a lot of content. Yeah, I'm documenting my microlocs journey, and I'm not going to like do over to the end. What I'm doing, I'm parting because I want some of the hair to be at the back. The hair will be, falling at the back. I'm just trying to tie it so that I'll bleed it a little bit later. I want first of all to braid the front part of my hair, and I'm going to start by parting here. This is the one I'll braid first. I really love this journey. I had started my microlocs journey about 2021, but within I think 3 months I got tired. I cut my hair off, but now I decided, let me do this. This is what I want to do. So for this part, I won't pull it back because I don't want it to fall at the back, but I'll braid it downwards. I hope you get what I'm trying to say, because I wanted to be falling downwards, not pulled at the back. I hope I know you do. Yeah, and I just try do the normal braiding. Not able to braid, you can twist. Twist also, you can do the twist outs. But I wanted for this, I did the twist out versus the braid out, and I realized that braid out make the curls more, more. What do I say? I forgot the word, but I'll remember. So, I'm done braiding this one. I want to deal with the smaller portions. So what I realize is I'm gonna get a bigger portion, and then I'll divide it into two. I'll divide it into two like this, and then so that the curls will be more formed with a smaller hair, or with a smaller parting. It will be more defined, if that's the word. So yeah, all of this hair will be braided falling, not at the back, but on the side. So yeah. And as usual, I'll not be going until the end, to leave some part for when I'm taking them out tomorrow morning. Just to do your normal braiding, depending on where you want to. I think by now you know what I'm doing. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just getting smaller parts and braiding and just braid in the direction you want the hair to fall tomorrow, so that you won't be forcing the hair to lay on the side that you didn't make it go. No, don't force your hair to do something you didn't set it to do. So make sure you braid it to the side, or to the direction you want it to flow. Okay, yeah. I think that one was a bit smaller, but still okay. And the smaller the braids, you know, the juicier the curls will be. So don't mind if it becomes, you get smaller patterns or smaller portions. So I'm done with the side parting. So I'm left with the back side. Do the same, divide it into the portions that you want. I'm sorry, I'm not seated in a position where I can show you the back. So I'm going to do this part. Sometimes braiding at the back, it's really work, because now the fingers, you know, your shoulders, your hands feel the pain of braiding the back of your head. I'll just try it. And I'm done. And so I'm done with the braids. I've done each part, so I'm just going to go in with the same moisturizer I used earlier, just to, you know, to seal it just a little bit, because we already applied before braiding. For the oil, I'll put scalp oil tomorrow morning when I wake up, when the scalp will be much dry, because my hair is still wet since I did the washing. So I'll apply the oil, you know, for my scalp earlier tomorrow morning. And by the way, I don't know how many microlocs I have, so I'll be doing a video of me recording on me counting how many locks I have very soon, so watch out for that. And I just realized I have one loose lock right here. I did not braid it. I'm not sure if I'm going to braid it or I'm just going to leave it. I'll see, but that's all. So we meet tomorrow morning, and we'll see the outcome. So good morning, it's another day, and let's take the blades out. So I'm going to use these threads and knots to moisturize my hair so that it take down the braids. And you're going to see how I was telling you the hair we lay on the side you braided it, on the direction you braided it. You see? Just put it under and that. And as I was telling you, the hair will fall on the side you braided it to fall. So if I try to force this hair to fall on this side, it won't. It will be a mess because I braided it facing another direction. So just braid on the direction you want the hair to go or to flow. And this is the look. I'm going to put on some oil, on my scalp. And what I apply, the oil I use for my scalp is this glycerin cocoa butter. I've been using this glycerin for the longest time. It helps with itchy scalp and also helps in hair growth. If you don't know, this glycerin with cocoa butter, it's really amazing. So hey guys, this is how the hair came out, and I love the curls. I love how it looks. I hope you leave your comments in the comment section and let me know what you think. Let me know what you feel about this hair. Let me know if you would try this style on your microlocs. And it's really good for any size of microlocs, any length. You can try it on smaller microlocs, long locks. So thank you for being here.